Okay, so this new episode 7, I have to say that it is not good. Is it horrible? Is it an absolutely horrible movie? No, it is not. But it is certainly not good. Because I have seen the movie. I saw the movie in the theater, the cinema in my hometown. And what I have to say about it, it is not good. Because it is not really Star Wars. It is not Star Wars at all. I mean, forget that it doesn't have Jar Jar Binks in it. It is just not good. George Lucas did not make this movie. He did not make this movie. I mean, how can they do that? No George Lucas, no Rick McCallum, no Jar Jar Binks. This movie is not good. This movie is weird. It is absolutely strange and it does not make sense to Star Wars. I don't even consider this movie Star Wars. I mean, the movie is about some English girl who lives on Jakku. I don't even know who she is. Okay, nobody knows who she is. A lot of people say that she is Luke Skywalker's daughter. Of course, Disney is going to do that. But why not the expanded universe characters that everybody has grown to love? Why did Disney say, okay, no, we're going to get rid of all these characters that everybody knows and loves, and we're going to replace them with this English woman and this American black guy? Why do they need to do that? Why do they need to replace the characters that everybody loves? I don't understand. And the movie itself was not original because it was basically a big remake of episode 4. I mean, you can even look at this thing, the big planet that blows up other planets, and then in the end they blow it up with their X-Wings. What does that remind you of? That is Star Wars Episode 4. They just completely stole it. J.J. Abrams even said that Episode 4 was his favorite film. But he obviously took that a little too far. So, in conclusion of this movie is not good. It's not as good as it seems. It's all hype. Disney thinks that they control Star Wars now, and they do. And they're going to create all these new fake characters in their stupid little games rather than having the good ones. So what I have to say to you is you need to go watch episode 1, 2. Those episode 1 and 2 are the best. And 3 too. Because they are the original Star Wars. They are 1, 2, and 3. They came first. So you need to go see those movies because those movies are great. I mean, you know, you got Jar Jar Binks and you got all the good effects. This new movie is not good. So go see the old Star Wars movies, the original ones, because they are the best.